So hello students, next we will solve the factoring problem, that is with recourse method. So the earlier two problems which I have solved, that was of without recourse method. This problem is of with recourse method. And one thing in with recourse method is that where the bad debts are not included in this, because what the factor will tell to the clients that I will collect only debt amount, I will not collect the bad debt amount. So for that we will not calculate the bad debt amount in with recourse method, only we will calculate the bad debts amount in without recourse method. For because in that without recourse method, where the factoring will collect both the amount, debt amount as well as bad debt amount. So we'll start the problems with working note. Okay, so the first working note, same process which I have solved in the previous video, same process. So first we'll solve calculate the working note about credit sales. Okay, the annuals, okay, credit sales. The first to find the credit sales, we should take our annual sales, that is 20 lakh into 80, means 80% on credit basis, 80 divided by 100. So the amount will be 16 lakh. Okay, next second adjustment working note, that is average collection receivables for 90 days. Okay, for that we should take this credit sales, that is 16 lakh. Okay, 16 lakh into 90. Okay, 90 divided by 100. Okay, the amount will be 4 lakh. Okay, next a third adjustment, that is factoring commission. Okay, that we should take this 4 lakh, that is the average collection. The factoring commission is charging how much? 3%, into 3 divided by 100. The amount will be 12,000. Okay, next fourth working note is reserves. Same 4 lakh. The reserves is how much holding? We should take 10% into 10 divided by 100. The amount will be 40,000. Next fifth working note, that is amount available for advance. All three amount we should minus it. First is 4 lakh. Okay, minus 12,000 minus 40,000. The amount will be 3,48,000. Okay, next sixth working note is interest on advance for 90 days. Interest on advance for 90 days, you should take this 3,48,000 into 18. Interest on advance, 18 divided by 100 into 90 divided by 360. The amount will be 15,660. Okay, next seventh working note, that is advances to be paid. Okay, we should take that 3,48,000 minus 15,660. The amount will be 3,32,340. Next, 8th working note, that is management cost of receivables for 90 days. Okay, the management cost is 24,000 per annum. 24,000 into 90 divided by 360. The amount will be 6,000. So the bad debts we should not calculate because in recourse method where the bad debts will be not calculated. Okay, next we will find cost benefit analysis. Okay, so that in first is factoring commission. Factoring commission is 12,000. Interest on advance 15,660. If you add this both amount means will be 27,660. This is our gross cost of factoring. Okay, second one is less saving in management cost. Okay, the amount is 6,000. Management cost is 6,000. Outer column 6,000. If those minus this amount, it will become 21,660. So this comes net cost of factoring with recourse method. So this completes your with recourse method problem. Okay.